Tweetie here. Welcome. Check our links down below and our playlists for more fun or entertaining or educational things. Today we're talking about survival again. But today there's fewer and fewer people out there surviving on family farms or living off of the food that they grow in their yard. The 4-H clubs are shrinking and most children don't know the first thing about farm animals. We suggest that you get your kid a rabbit or two. Teach them not as pets but as food. What they can do with the skins, how the meat is used, how to cook it, how important it is, and how fast and easy it is to have food for the table. We need gardening, we need the shelves stacked with cans, but you're also going to need fresh meat. It's easier to have it, and you know how rabbits can multiply. Anyway, that's our tip for today. Instead of guinea pigs or birds or turtles, get yourself some rabbits. So, if you enjoyed this tip, give us a thumbs up. If you want to hear more tips on survival and such things, subscribe. Angels all around. Have a blessed day. Bye.